It's time to do some review. Let's review.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are here to do pages 19 and 20, the next page. And it's the Let's Review part for units 1 and 2. So we have to remember everything in these units and try it out. Here's part A, and it just says read and match. Number 1, what's this? Well, that's a globe, so we can match too. It's a globe. Is this a diamond? No. Let's find no. There we go. No, it isn't. It's a circle. Number 3, what color is this? Black. It's black. That matches. Number 4, is this a star? Yes. Yes, it is. Just like that, part A is done. This is part B, and it says circle and color. Number 1, this is a black marker. I'll circle that. It is already black, so I'm not going to color it. Number 2, this is a green triangle. Which one is the triangle? This one. Circle the triangle, and let's color it green. There we go. It's a green triangle. Number 3, this is a blue diamond. They are both diamonds. Which one looks blue? I think this one. Circle that, and let's color it blue. There we go. Now it's a blue diamond. This is a red table. Which one is the table? This one. So circle the table, and we need to color it red. This is red. I hope this is red. It's red. I thought it might have been orange. Okay, now it's a red table, and part B is done. This is part C, and it says look and check. What's in the bag? Here's the bag. We have to see all of the things inside the bag, and we can check them over here. All right, let's go one by one. A pencil case? Yes, there is. A pencil? Yes, that is a pencil. A book? Yes, that is a book. A pen? No, there is no pen. A notebook? Yes, right here. This is a notebook. A globe? No, there isn't a globe. A crayon? No, there isn't a crayon. A map? Yes, there is, right there. A poster? No, there isn't a poster. A ruler? Yes, there is a ruler. An eraser? Yes, there is an eraser. Part C is done. And this is part D, and it says match. So we're going to match the sentence to the picture, and all of these sentences were the classroom commands, so they all start with an action for us to find. Put away, draw, open, put away, and take out. Okay, let's start. Put away your book is right here. She's putting it away in her bag. Draw a line. Draw a picture. Oh, that's this boy. He's drawing a picture of a forest. Open your book. No, she's taking out. She's putting away. Oh, he's opening. So that is this picture. Open your book. Put away your pencil. That's taking out. This is putting away. And there's a pencil. Take out your book. That's this picture. She's taking out her book. Great. Part D is done, and we're done with the Unit 1-2 review. Good job.